旅行开荒实用英文手册第1部分日常生活语句1点
Hello, hi.
Hello, hi 2点
Good morning.
早安3点
Good afternoon.
午安4点
Good evening.
晚安下午3点以后5点
Good night.
晚安睡前或晚上再见时用6点
How are you?
你好吗7点
Fine, thank you. And how are you?
我很好你呢8点
How do you do?
你好吗用于第一次见面回答一同9点
Nice to see you.
很高兴与你见面10点
I must be going now.
我必须走了11点
Have a nice day.
祝你有愉快的一天12点
I hope you had a good time tonight.
祝你有个愉快的晚上13点
Goodbye. See you.
再见14点
Pardon.
请再说一遍15点
Sorry. I don't understand.
对不起我不懂你的意思16点
Please speak slowly.
请再说慢一点17点
Do you speak English?
你说英文吗18点
Thank you very much.
非常谢谢你19点
You are so kind.
你真好20点
You are welcome.
不用客气21点
Sorry. I am sorry.
抱歉22点
Excuse me.
抱歉打扰一下23点
That's all right.
没关系24点
Never mind.
别放在心上25点
I agree.
我同意26点
That's right.
对27点
It sounds nice.
听起来不错28点
That's too bad.
太可惜了29点
I hope so.
希望如此30点
That's fine.
很好31点
Can you do me a favor?
能帮我个忙吗32点
Please fill in this immigration form for me.
请帮我填入境登记表33点
What should I fill in here?
这里要填什么34点
Please fill in the hotel name for me.
请帮我填旅馆名称35点
Please help me to fill in the declaration form.
请帮我填报税单36点
For house rent, should I go to U.S. immigration for registration?
租房子需要到移民局报备吗37点
What's the matter?
怎么了发生什么事了38点
What for?
为什么39点
Where do you live?
你住哪里40点
Can you speak English?
你会说英文吗41点
Are you sure?
你确定吗42点
May I have your business card or address and telephone number?
请给我你的名片或是地址电话好吗43点
Excuse me, how can I get to this address?
请问到这地址怎么走44点
How much?
多少钱？45点。
How far?
有多远？46点。
How long?
要多久？47点。
Do you have the time?
你知道现在几点吗？48点。
What time is it?
你知道现在几点吗？49点。
Is Mr. White at home?
怀特先生在家吗？50点。
May I speak to Mrs. Brown?
我找布朗太太。51点。
Could I visit you tomorrow?
我明天能拜访你吗？